This is for you, ReDfye, for James.
How many cards is that? Is that 5 cards? 5 cards? Yes, sir.
The airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. Could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. Could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. Could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
I take 1 step, 2 step, I can't take anymore. I'm running out of breath, can't even make it past the storm. I'm seeing things that I never thought I could see. Jesus Christ, my Savior, ready to see what's inside of me. I thought I'd be living the life of purity, but I'm drowning my own sin that has to do with me. Cause I read my Bible and pray every day. I hope that God hear me, take my sin away. And if I had one wish, I would just wish upon a star. Cause I'm like shooting stars, oh please don't make it that far.
Airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. Could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. Could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Check it out. Her daddy been gone, he left when she was 7. Left without a home, she didn't even know there was a heaven. Wish she could go wings and fly away from this place. That's what she told me, big and white, the tears on her face. But just know, every time you cry, the Lord feels your pain. So put your fist in the air if you're ready for change. Cause the race is not given to the weak or the strong. So keep having faith and just keep holding on. Believe in airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars, shooting stars. You really use a wish right now, a wish right now, wish right now. And they're airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
That was for James. Hope you like it.
That's Arthur's.
And by the way, we're MIA 2 guys, so yeah.
I feel bad.
This is the crew.
That's crew.
Congratulations.
His broken.
Okay, whatever.
Broken.
Alright.
And this is AJ.
Broken.
Thanks for AJ for the camera.
Don't lose this again.